Hey guys, so I'm back with another Yeezys, with another pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2, uh the Beluga edition. I literally just got them today. The package just came in and I opened the box. These aren't for me, but I just wanted to make sure that the quality was on point. These are for someone who ordered them off of the previous stuff that I've shown you guys. And I know I've got a lot of emails about that, and a lot of you guys don't really trust, or I wouldn't say trust, but like you guys aren't really down. But I mean, here's proof, man. Like, here's a pair that's not for me. I don't even like these. I'd rather get the blue tints, but I am really impressed with just the quality, dude. Like always, it's just great quality. Look at that. Tell me that's not quality, man. They're just a little scrunched up because of the box. But let me take the insole out. I won the cinders last week, and I sold those, the real ones. I'll probably end up getting a replica pair with my plug or something. The color looks better in person than I thought it would. Here's the soles. But yeah, dude, I really like how they look, and they all turn out really well. So if you guys do end up wanting to get a pair, let me know. These aren't for me. I got a couple more coming in, and I'll do those unboxings too. Somebody else wanted the what are they called? They're like all brown, the Earths. Two people wanted Earths, so I got two pairs of Earths coming in, and I got another zebra coming in. Fuck it. So I'll let you guys know when I get those. And like I said, a lot of you have emailed me about it. You guys don't really trust the process, but like you see, we're getting a lot of orders, so we'll be getting those out to people who wanted them. If you're serious about wanting a pair for the low, just hit me up, man. Like I said, the prices aren't too expensive. It's like 150, 155 free shipping. So just let me know and I'll hook you up. And I got Cash App ready, and I have Zelle or some shit like that. I don't have a Venmo, but if I have to make one, I'll make one. Like I said, a lot of you guys don't trust me, but I mean, I'm not here. I'm not out here scamming anyone. I want to show you guys the rest of my shoes. Like, I don't even have any Yeezys anymore, just because I got rid of them all. I just have a couple of these, which these are real. But I don't have any more Yeezys, bro. And my Yeezy boxes are gone. Like, I got rid of them. Like, I sold them. People wanted them. So these aren't even for me. I'm not even rocking Yeezys right now. But yes, if you guys want ones, trust me, man. Let me know. I'll hook it up. I know, and if you've already emailed me in the past, like, just email me again. I'll always answer. I got Cash App ready, Zelle ready, and I'll make them Venmo if you guys need me to. But yeah, this is the Belugas 350 V2, 150 free shipping. So let me know, or 155 free ship, depends on where you live, you know. But we can work something out. I could do 150 plus shipping, 160 free shipping. Like, just depends how many pairs you get. But yeah, like I said, they were a little scrunched up because I just got them out the box. But yeah, man. Peace.